And our brush tool is a high quality, so don't worry about the quality of the brushes. We have very machine production line. We have many years experience in production brushes, so our products can export to all the world. So please.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, welcome to our live stream. Can you welcome to our live stream? Use many types of our factories, many products, brushes, as you can see, and you can see from our video too. If you have some questions about our clean brushes, like draw clean brushes, car detailing clean brushes, please leave a message. Hope 10 minutes. I will solve your questions and give you and introduce our products also. And we have our own factories, so you can see the production line, and we have many machine to works to products this kind of brushes.